Right, so in this session, we'll be heading back to our WordPress dashboard to customize our shop page. So let's go back to pages. I think I already have pages here. And then we want to click on shop. No. So for um, Royal Elementor, you don't work on the shop page from the pages section. You need to go back to Royal Add-on Team Builder to work on the shop page. So we're gonna head here and we're gonna click on Product Archive. So on Product Archive here, we click on Edit Template. So on our shop page here, we want to, of course, customize this content to be more of ours. So instead of current query, you want to choose dynamic query instead because this is not a search. So you can use a current query setting here. So here you can add categories or you can leave this without categorizing it. But I like to categorize mine so that you know what to expect. But anyway, it's shop. So shop is supposed to have all the content, like all the products on your site anyway. So you can leave this out. You can leave the tags out as well. So what you want to do here now, this looks good, this looks good. So all we want to do here is ensure that our settings are looking good and then we customize our styling. So let's head to price and then customize it. So we have color and then we have old price. So old price should be a dark color. So we're just gonna set that here and then this it's okay. So we're gonna set add to cart button. Add to cart button, but the color is also dark color. So this is fine. So we want to change hover. We have background blue and then the border our brown color as well. So this looks good. We want to also work on the um pagination. So first of all, we're going to change the loader color to our brown color, and then also we want to also change the hover. So we want the background color to also be our brown color and the border color to be our brown color, and we want the color to be white. So this is what is here as well. So we want the normal color to actually, be dark a bit. So we want this to pop up a bit, and then we want the border color to also be a bit dark. So this looks good and this is good to go. So we can hit publish. But before we do that, let's also work on the filters as well. So we want our filters to also match our brand colors, and we can just do that here. So this basically works well here when it's on normal, but when it's on hover, we need to change the background color to our brand color, and that looks good. So we can go ahead and click on publish. All right, so this is what our shop page looks like now. We can click on preview to see the so this is what it looks like now, and I think this looks good. So we can go on ahead and then customize our single product page.